Hi, my name's Brett and welcome to Expert Crypto. So a week and a bit ago, I predicted a long overdue consolidation stage for the Bitcoin against the dollar. And as expected, it has remained in the range of 28,000 to 31,000. Since then, not an awful lot of movement, and we're again waiting for a breakout and chart patterns to confirm that breakout as well. Okay, so we're actually in a good stage. We've had a massive bear market. We're now in a stage where the market is in effect moving sideways. So as for now, the coast is clear, yet there is some real uncertainty in the market. Although the bulls are sleeping and the bears are resting, it's safe to come out of your houses. Okay, so trading is, as I've said before, 90% psychology. And the number one rule, which people generally don't understand, is to love your losers. So most traders at the moment, if you've been trading for a while for Expert Crypto or anyone else, you would have taken a little bit of a beating or quite a bit of a beating. Okay. Usually traders hang on to losers too long and they don't hang on to their profits long enough. However, people don't like to admit they're wrong. And sometimes things do go wrong and people hang on to trades out of hope more than anything else, okay? So if you are holding a losing position now we're in this stage of consolidation, my advice would be to be brave and actually add to that position, okay? I cannot see the Bitcoin dollar market dropping down an awful lot below 28. Now it actually dropped down for a very, very short period to about 25.5. However, that was literally to shake the tree and take out people who had really tight stops. So I think 28 is roughly the bottom, maybe a little bit lower than that, but highly unlikely. Okay. On the 20th of May, as I said, the bears tried to push the market back down. It was very short-lived. We then had a bullish engulfing line come the day after, and it's remained within a really tight range since. Okay, there is really strong support around the 28,500 mark, and my advice would be again to average in and buy Bitcoin dollar around the 28,500 mark. It's quite a low risk trade because we are going to have quite tight stops afterwards, yet the upside potential is absolutely huge. Okay, so that's not to say the market won't drop down a little bit more. However, I can't see it going much below 28,500. Okay. In other crypto news, obviously Terra collapsed over the last week or so. Ukraine have found their fundraising efforts have been affected due to the recent collapse in cryptocurrencies. They've lost about £10 million in donations and funding, or $10 million, I should say. However, that pales into significance with the $15 billion they require to rebuild the economy as it stands at the moment. Okay, other stories concern taxation and taxation of crypto assets worldwide. In the UK, crypto is considered an asset, and although there are rules that are fairly unclear still, there may be a payment of capital gains tax imposed on people who are holding big holdings and kind of getting out of those positions as well. Okay, that's pretty much all for now. As I said, my name is Brett Ellis from Expert Crypto. The end advice is to buy Bitcoin against the dollar and await further updates over the next week or so here on Expert Crypto.